Alright guys, welcome back again to the channel. Please like this video and share it to your friends, okay? As you all know that I always share updates about all these mining airdrops, okay? So now I want to show you guys on how to play today's game, okay? How to play today's hamster mini game. And today's one is very simple. I would like you to watch this video. Make sure you watch this video very well before attempting to do your own, okay? It is very simple. So the video is very slow. Make sure that you are asked to use 30 minutes only to play this game, but I reduce the speed of my own so that you know how I did my own very well. So after doing my own, I will play it in a way that I will play it with a normal speed which is below 30 minutes, okay? So just watch it very well on this low speed. Then if I'm done with it, I will now replay it again for let's say below 30 minutes delay, okay? The speed I mean. So this is how I will got it. So let me try it again. So just hold on. I will play the fastest one which is below 30 minutes, so that if you are watching this one, make sure that you are with your phone, so doing it at the same time, okay? See, this one is normal speed, okay? This one is below 30 minutes. Just follow this one. The first one is for you to learn it. This second one now is for you to hold your phone and do it immediately. The one this my own is playing, okay? So after watching this video, share it to your friends. Make sure everybody enjoy the video. Make sure everybody watch the video, okay? So I'm done with it. So this is how I got it. Share and like. If you are confused, comment on the comment section for questions.